Today I'm going to share a very useful grammar tip with you, and it's a very common mistake made by Chinese students, most probably because they translate from Chinese to English. So let's have a look. What is this? First of all, I have a question for you. Look at this dialogue between A and B. She can draw very well. How about B? If you are B, how would you answer? I also can draw well. I can also draw well, or I also am draw well. Which is your answer? Let me give you a few seconds to think about it. And I shall discuss with you afterwards. Ready? Well, I think most of you will choose I also can draw well. But the answer is in fact I can also draw well. Because if we used also, we have to put it after the verb to be. For example, is, am, are, was, were. I am also, she is also, or modal verbs like can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, right? We use after modal verbs. We don't write also before these verbs to be or modal verbs. But why do many English learners, Chinese students in particular, put the word also before the can? This is because they translate from Chinese to English. Because in Chinese, we say 我也可以. But in English, if you translate directly, it will become I also can, which is why many students put it in such a way, I also can, we also can, but it is wrong because the rule is that we put the word also after modal verbs like can, could, will, would, and so on and so forth, and also the verb to be. Let's look at the examples here. John is also living now. It's correct. But if you say John also is living now, it's wrong. But of course, this is not too common a mistake. And the next one, I'm cold. I'm also hungry and tired. Not I'm cold. I also am hungry and tired. Look, we put the word also after the verb to be, is, am, are. Okay? Let's move on. Jane will submit her work later. I will also do the same. This is correct. But a lot of people might say, Jane will submit her work later. I also will do the same. Like I say, mostly translation, right? Especially from Chinese to English. And the last one, the most commonly made mistake, I can sing well. Jane also can sing well. But the correct answer, like I say, we place the modal verb in front of the also in English. I can sing well. Jane can also sing well. So remember, guys, if you want to use the word also, put it after verb to be and also modal verbs. Don't place it after the word also. Alright, of course, there are other uses of also, but today I'm focusing just on this. So if you want to know more about this, you may leave some comments below and I shall explain to you in another video of mine. I hope you have benefited from this once more. See you again in my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.